Hey guys, in today's video we're going to explore how you can promote your CPA marketing offers on this platform right here called Instagram, and we're actually going to be using Instagram team pages right here to promote CPA marketing offers. So you just want to make sure you do watch this video right here, and guys, we're actually going to be using a beginner friendly strategy and a 100% free strategy, so make sure you do take advantage of this right now and start using this to drive traffic to your CPA marketing offers. So without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. The first step is to get a CPA marketing offer which you want to promote, and you can actually use any platform out there. You could use the Max Bounty, you could use the CPA Grip, you could use the Offer Vote, you could use the CPA Lead, the CPA Build, and any other CPA marketing platform which is out there. But basically I prefer using the CPA Grip right here because I don't know, I actually do love this platform. And if I do log into my account right now, I just simply went onto the offer tools section, click on my offers, and I actually filtered the offers to select offers from the United States right here. And you can see that these are all United States offers right now. So guys, basically you want to just simply go on to selecting multiple offers to promote, because we're going to be promoting multiple offers on our Instagram team pages. So right now guys, so you just want to make sure you leave this page open and head on to this platform which is a step 2 called Linktree. And if you head onto this platform called the linktr.ee, you just want to use this platform to actually promote multiple links, because with this platform guys, you can actually represent multiple links with a single link right here, and you can see everything you are in one simple link in bio. And guys, this is basically what this platform is going to help us with. And you can just simply create an account with this platform for absolutely free, put in the username which you actually want to use to create an account, and if that is available, click on claim your link tree, and you can then go on to creating your account for absolutely free just with the help of your email address. Once you've created your account, you can just simply log into your account. So guys, you can see right now I'm actually logged into my account. You could just simply see that I'm promoting multiple links right here, and all these links are actually for United States residents. To add links right here, you just want to click on add link, paste in the URL to that CPA marketing offer. Supposing I want to promote, let me say this offer right now, I'm going to select the offer, copy the URL, and actually head on to my Linktree link, and come right here, paste that in right here, click on add. But it's actually going to tell me that this is an unsafe URL because it doesn't actually accept direct CPA marketing links. So you want to just simply make use of this platform called tinyurl to actually resize that particular link by shortening the link. I'm going to paste the link right here, click on shorten URL, and it's actually going to give me a new URL which I can use to promote that exact same CPA marketing offer. But this URL right now is going to be a short one. If I copy this, head back to my link tree right here, I'm just going to click on this edit icon and actually going to change in the link. So if I do change the link and click on enter, you can see that that link has actually been accepted. You can see that right here in this preview section, and I could just simply go to changing the title, head back to CPA Grip right here, copy this exact same title for this offer, head on to my link tree, and actually come right here, change that in this particular section. And if I do click on enter, you can see in the preview section that has actually been changed. So you want to just simply go on to adding multiple offers right here, as you could add in more offers by clicking on add offers, and just simply select as many offers which you could go on to promoting with the help of your link tree. And once you do adding offers right here, and you're actually done adding your offers, you just want to go onto this appearance section, edit that based on your preference to actually determine how the appearance is going to look right on mobile devices. Click on right here on share, and you can see your Linktree link right here. Copy that, and you want to just simply go into promoting that right here on your Instagram team pages. And how do you promote that on your Instagram team pages? Make sure that link right there to your Linktrees are already in the bio of your account. So if you put that in the bio of your account, make sure you do create a cool and amazing account that is actually having a cool bio, that is actually having a cool profile picture or banner, and a cool profile name for that particular account. So guys, you want to make sure you focus on a particular niche and have the names and pictures related to that particular niche. Make sure you do go to setting your bio properly and putting that particular Linktree link in the bio of your account. As you can see, this person is actually putting another link in the bio of his account right here, and it's actually directing them to that particular link. You can see right here that the link is a self-development and business tip which is helping you to grow in life, and you could earn $100,000 a month on YouTube, and this is a free training right here. So you could just simply follow this exact same strategy and actually direct people to that particular link right there. Tell them that is a free giveaway offers right there, that they just simply have to complete a simple survey and they do gain access to that particular gift cards or gifts right there, and you also do earn some cool cash with affiliate commission. And once you put that right there, guys, you are actually going to be getting little traffic right there, but you want to make sure you do go on to growing that particular account, because the more you grow that account, the more you actually make money with CPA marketing, and the more you drive traffic that CPA marketing offers. So guys, in growing that particular account, you just want to make sure you do go follow 3 basic steps to grow your account right there. You want to make sure you do go on to follow the first step, which is posting regularly and consistently. You want to make sure you do post about maybe 3 to 4 times each and every single day, and you want to make sure you're consistent with that. Maybe if you're finding it difficult to derive content, you could actually use content from other people's content right there, or maybe you could focus on people that are in that exact same niche which you're focusing on, people that have actually made it in that niche. Get their content, repost it on your platform, but make sure you guys you actually do give credit to them for that particular content, because they are the original owners of such content. You could also go on to maybe getting content from YouTube right here. If you do go on to YouTube and you actually do get maybe long content, maybe if you are looking for motivational quotes on how to make money, get a long video right there, and you could head onto this platform called the Opus Clip to actually shorten short videos into about a minute videos each right here, and you could just simply make one long video into 10 viral clips. So guys, if you do come right here, put in the link to that lengthy video right here, you could actually do convert it into about 10 viral clips, which you can actually do go on to posting on your Instagram page right here, and that is actually going to help you with getting some content. And right here, guys, we've actually solved the problem of getting content. So we want to move on to the second step, and the second strategy right now is one which you want to take advantage of. You want to just simply be engaged in people's content that have made it in that same niche. So you could head on to people's content right there. You want to make sure you do like their posts. You want to make sure you're engaged in their content by actually commenting, adding some form of contribution, and you're actually going to be increasing your followers right there by doing so, because some people will be interested in you right there. You could actually go on to reposting their content also, or sharing their content also, and you're actually going to be growing your account by doing so. And that strategy which you could use right here, which is the third strategy, is to actually do the follow for follow. Supposing I actually do come right here to this particular post right now on this particular account, and I come right here, click on this post, I'm just going to come right here, click on these people that like the post right here, click on the likes. You'll be able to see the people that like this particular post in this niche. You just want to make sure you do go on to following them right there, and a large amount of them will also go on to following you back. And in following you back, guys, you're actually growing your account, and a lot of them will also be interested in checking out your account. And if they do check out your account, they'll be able to see the link in your bio, and if they do click on that link, it's going to take them to your link tree, which is actually promoting a lot of CPA marketing offers. And if they do complete such offers, you're going to be getting some cool commission in affiliate, or that's affiliate commission by doing so. These are actually cool and amazing strategy which you want to take advantage of right now. Start promoting your CPA marketing offers on Instagram team pages in the year 2023 and beyond. So make sure you do take advantage of this and start doing this right now. And I hope this video has been of help to you guys. Just simply go on to smashing the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure your notification bell is turned on all. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.